First, you have to remove the handle cover from the door panel using a trim tool. Be careful not to break it. If you look inside the door handle, you will see two Phillips head screw. So the next step is to remove those two Phillips head screws. The next step is to remove that head screw. Remove the screw using a short screwdriver. Remove the Phillips head screw using a short screwdriver. Now, careful, unclip the door panel and lift it up to remove it from the door. So the next step is to remove the cables. The first one is from the mirror. There is a clamp there. You have to press it on the clamp. Then you have those two harnesses. Actually, there's three harnesses from the window buttons. Now you have to remove the black foam from the left side of the door to have access on the door lock module. Now you can see the door lock module is the one with white. The door lock module has 3 bolts. Then we have to remove the blue hose. So we start removing those 3 T30 Torx screws. Then we will remove the bolt from the door lock cylinder using also a T30 Torx. Then we remove the door lock cylinder. You have to move to the left and then to the right and take the lock cylinder out. Use a flat blade screwdriver to remove it from the door lock cylinder, from the door lock module. And then you lift the door lock module and then you take it out. You can take that part out from the door. Take the door lock module out and disconnect the harness. And use a flat blade screwdriver to remove the hose, the blue hose. This is the door lock module or the door lock mechanism. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.